So guys, you all can see me right now the way I am dressed up. It clearly shows that somewhere the winter is giving me thrust all about. Yes, and this video is gonna be about a winter hack, I would say. You how you can maintain yourself or how you can keep yourself warm at all given point of time, so that winter should not harm you too much. So yeah, keeping yourself warm, in short, maintaining your body temperature during the winter, it is really important. So when we talk about maintaining body temperature during the winter, it has two different aspects of it. One, how you maintain your body temperature internally, how you maintain your body temperature externally. Okay, so we will be talking about in this video exclusively about maintaining your body temperature internally. Okay, so let's quickly move into the video and understand what are the foods that you all you can have to kind of maintain your body temperature internally, because again, your internal body it is all about what you eat, what you drink, or what are the things that you consume. Guys, before we move into the video, I would want you all to subscribe this channel, like the video and share it with your people, so that this can be helpful for them as well, and they could also get a benefit.
Honey is warm in nature, and its regular intake helps in keeping the body warm too. This is one of the reasons that why excessive intake of honey during summer is not advisable. Honey is also good for sore throat and cold. Sesame seeds. Do you know what the chickpeas are made up of? Yes, they are made up of sesame seeds, and which are good for keeping the body warm and cozy during the winter. So this is also a must included food. How can we forget root vegetables? For those who aren't quite sure for what root vegetables are, they are vegetables that grow below the surface like radish, turnip and sweet potatoes. Root vegetables keep the body warm as their digestion is slower, which generates more heat. Ginger has thermogenic properties that helps in keeping you warm during winters. It also aids in boosting metabolism and promoting blood flow. Brew yourself a hot cup of ginger tea in the morning and you are good to go. Next that we have in our bucket, that is dry fruits. Dry fruits like almonds, cashew and raisins generates heat in the body, and they also help in curing anemia and other diseases that are caused due to the deficiency of iron and vitamins. Let's go a bit natural now, because the next must-have thing we have in our bucket, that is tulsi. Most of you must be aware of the fact that tulsi has medical properties. It is rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, zinc and iron, which helps the body to fight cold-borne diseases like cold, cough, sinus and other respiratory problems. Or if at all you are a non-vegetarian, then you can go ahead for eggs. There is a reason why eggs are termed as a superfood. Eggs are in huge demand during winters. They are a powerhouse of energy and are also rich in proteins and vitamins, which helps in keeping the body warm. Next, which is a warm water. Guys, it is very important to replace your cold water with your warm water during the winter, which helps to keep your body internally warm, and for that I have made a separate video. You can go and check out that.
That's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you and it will add some or the other benefits to your health during this winter season. Guys, I completely can relate. Keeping yourself maintained, especially your health during the winter, it is very important and very critical. So yes, I have taken it as a responsibility, and the things that I am following right now and I am coming up with. So this was the tips that I am following right now when it comes to kind of maintaining your internal health or keeping yourself warm internally. Now I will see you soon in the next video, how you can keep yourself warm externally as well. So be in touch with me on the channel and subscribe the channel if you haven't yet. Like this video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep yourself healthy. Take care.